Howdy Denny here. Well, by golly, let's finish off this painting today. And there's a feller waiting in the painting for us, so we better head on over there and see what he wants, okay? Meet me over there, and we'll go ahead and finish this off. I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Okay. Now, we have gained a feller in our painting. I put him in with watercolor pencil because I like them and they work quite well. Okay. We'll give him some blue jeans here. We'll take the blue out of the brush, mostly. And we'll come up here and we'll give him his red shirt. See, figures can be very, very, very simple to do. You don't have to get into any great detail unless you want to. And if you add a figure to your painting, it makes the painting just that much better, okay? So don't be afraid to add one, okay? And we're essentially done with this little painting. Got a decent sky. We got the buildings here, the dock boats. We got a tree over here as a stop so your eyes don't wander off the page. We've got our feller here looking out at the boats. And very simple, yet very effective. Now be with me tomorrow, by golly, and we'll start the next painting in our series. And it's going to be kind of a misty landscape, and I think you're going to like it. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. And remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get all notifications here on YouTube. And be sure and comment. Leave me comments. I need to know what we're doing right or what we're doing wrong. Okay? And remember always that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Okay, that painting's in the books. We got another one to start tomorrow, so be with me then. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. See you tomorrow.